pressure washer clearance at the garage for, I cannot say the other word because they will take down my video. Alright, on to some DeWalts. You guys do some more DeWalts. We got the best two deals, huge clearance deals at the lows. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. As you guys do see, we got huge machinery here. 305 down from 359, 3100 psi, 2.4 gallons per minute. So from the Craftsman's, all the bits basically, bit holder there. And then they do have this one, but they did not have a price on it. My guess is they're probably on the process of putting a price on that one. Maybe they're clearancing out the older one. 7 1/4 circular saw blades, $597. That's actually a pretty dang good deal. $598 regular price. You get the Lux Pro extended runtime, 303 lumen. This one's $11 down from $15. You got the neck lights, this for the Cobalts, 300 lumen, rechargeable, $33 down from $42. You got the Lux Pro as LP 500 or 330 lumen. This one's $697 down from $998. You got the Coast 570 lumen. Flashlight, it is a focusing flashlight, $25 down from $35. Got the Cobalt flashlight here, indestructible, says 1500 lumen, $20. You got a 530 lumen from the Coast headlamp, $34 and $49. And then you got this. This is a really nice cover for the grill. If you guys got a grill same size, $14.92 down from $59 from Comica. Alright, for the garage, guys, some clearance at the garage for the Kidder, or from the Kidder. Jumbo cab here. This one's $170 down from $189. And then they got this one. This one's a base, $89 down from $97. Guys, we got a charcoal grill on clearance, $150 down from $299. This is a killer deal. Whoever finds it at the stores, it's actually pretty good, nice. And here's a bigger picture, pretty nice. It is adjustable. All right, some music onto the garages for on clearance, $22. Yes, for the Alexas, they play free music, and then you can put them on the garage. Why not, for $22? All right, so you got some tool storage here. I cannot say the other word because they will take down my video, YouTube. You got an 18 tool storage here. This is the $229 for this cabinet, however you want to call it. Got the Canon version. This was a 24 tool storage, $849 down from $1,000. This is actually pretty good size. Something I would definitely buy. And then it's water resistant. So it got all the bells and whistles, basically all the resistance and ratings on this. This is one of the better ones that they have. Check out this big one. This one's really big. This was a 48 tool storage. This one's $1049. They're all on clearance. All right, some more clearance. You got 189 piece Craftsman tool set. This one's $151 down from $189 for the mechanics tools. Check out this one. This one's actually a pretty dang good deal. It got all sorts of pliers, screwdrivers, sockets, ratchets. $169 down from $229. That's pretty good. 250 piece mechanics tool set. $149 down from $219. Another really good one. This is a lot of sockets on this one. Pretty much all the sockets you're gonna need. $59.98 for this mechanic tool set. Does come with a really nice case. A lot of sockets, deep well, extensions, and some ratchets. 3.8. Alright, on to some DeWalts. You got universal fitment oscillating blades. This is a really nice case. It's rare that you find a nice case like this. $39 down from $49.98. This one's on clearance. Cobalt 7 piece flip impact socket set. $39. And you got a clamp and miter saw from Jorgensen, 17 down from 49. I'm pretty sure that's what it looks like. There on the left. $39.98 for the 5 piece or 6 piece black oxide file set. This one's a really nice set. It already comes with an organizer for the toolbox. Really love the organizers. And then if you want a smaller piece there, a 3-piece, $20.98 for that one. So very interesting what they did with that set. They got this one on clearance, $84 for $169 for the 40 feet combo line. DeWalt, buy one get one free, so you get a free 5 amp hour battery with that one. That deal runs until the end of the month, the end of October. Same thing with this one. You got the Bosch 2-pack of 8 amp hour battery, and get a Profactor tool for free. All right, on clearance, you got the Flex job site radio, $64.47, down from $129. You got the job site blower bare tool, $59, down from $119. That's what it looks like. And then you got the jigsaw. This one's actually a pretty dang good deal on this one. It's half off, $99, down from $199. All right, on to some more DeWalts that they just put up. 21 piece, $31.98. Drill bit set, and then an oscillating blade set for $34.98. So it's very similar to the one that I just showed you guys at the other side. You got a reciprocating saw blade set there, 10 piece. That one's $15.98. You got a 15-pack of metal cut-off wheels, $19.98 from the DeWalts. And then you got some more buy one get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the left, you get a free 5 amp hour battery. That is for the 12 volt Extreme. These are solid tools, very, very powerful for their size. You get impact driver and drill driver for $179 plus the free battery, of course. All the free batteries are up there. Those little boxes, and all the tools are at the bottom, the kits. Pretty nice. And then you got this drilling 14-piece drilling bit set there for the DeWalt. You got this table saw on sale, $549 from $649. It pretty much comes complete with the wheels and stand and everything, so ready to rock and roll basically. $179 for the 2 6 amp hour batteries, $129 for the 2 4s, $39 for the 3 amp hour if you want something very, very inexpensive. $99 for the 3 amp hour and the 5, that's for the 12 volts. $299 for the, oh, that's a killer deal on that one. $99 a piece plus the batteries, so batteries are free on that one. $99 a quarter impact driver, and some of the tools are there already getting sold out on this. Some of those are pretty good. All right, they are raising prices. Yes, it was $24.98, now it is $29.98 on these. So just keep an eye out on that, because they tend to raise and lower prices. Same thing with Amazon, and Home Depot does the same thing. So, and whenever they're going to have a big sale, they're going to raise the price, and they're going to make it seem like you're having a killer deal. That's basically what they're going to, let you see. All right, so buy one, get one free. These are still pretty solid deals. There's the miter saw. There's a rocket light available on that. You got this on clearance, $15. Down from $19. It's a pretty good deal on this one. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.